In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Realms SMP in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. In order to join Realms, you would have already needed to sign into a Microsoft account like I did right over here. So if it's your first time ever joining a Minecraft Realm, then towards the bottom left, you should see a button that says sign in, and all you got to do is basically press on that button, and from there, make your Microsoft account. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, the first thing you want to do is you want to press on play. Then you want to go over here to the friends section, and then towards here, you will now notice that we will get the join realm button. And there's actually multiple ways that we can join realms. Number one is that we can actually get a realm code from somebody. Now you guys are probably asking, well, how do I actually find realm codes? And do not worry, guys, I got you covered. MCB Realms is an amazing website that will provide you with all of the most up-to-date realm codes. Over here, we do have a bunch of different realms, and there's even like realm lists. For example, over here, we got the top 5 best survival SMP realms. So basically, all you got to do is you got to find one you like, and then all you got to do is just copy and paste the code. So here's a code. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. Then I'm going to go back into Minecraft. I'm going to paste it like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and press on join, and then from there it should automatically load us into the realm. But guys, there's actually multiple ways that we could actually join realms. Another way that we can join realm is through a realm link. A realm link is basically the same thing like a realm code, except whenever you do press on that link, it is just going to automatically open up Minecraft. And another way to join a realm is for the realm owner to actually invite you. So you will need to give them your IGN, and your IGN is basically this name over here. So if you have a friend or something, then ask them to invite you and give them your name like so. So for example, my name is Brian V789YT. So I will go ahead and give that to a realm owner, and then the realm owner would manually go ahead and invite me to the realm. So what I would need to do in order to invite somebody is go over here to where it says members and go over here and press on find friends. So unfortunately, my subscription expired, so the button doesn't work for me. But if you do have the subscription, then it will 100% work for you. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.